Are you wondering if you can enjoy YouTube TV on multiple TVs in your home? You're not alone. This is a common question for anyone looking to make the most of their subscription. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how YouTube TV works with multiple TVs. Whether you're trying to watch your favorite shows in different rooms or share access with family members, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. So grab a seat and let's dive into it. YouTube TV allows you to stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously with a single subscription, making it perfect for households with multiple TVs. All you need is a compatible streaming device, like a Roku, Fire Stick, or Smart TV, and a stable internet connection. Simply sign in with your YouTube TV account on each device, and you're good to go. Plus, every user in your household can create their own personalized profile, complete with individual recommendations and DVR libraries. Just keep in mind that while you can use it on multiple TVs, the number of simultaneous streams is limited to 3. If this video helped you understand how to use YouTube TV on multiple TVs, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.